Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video I'm going to teach you or going to help you to get this freebies coming from Samsung. It's Fitgrip and with the Bluetooth. So if you would like to get this for free, please follow this video. Alright guys, so first thing you need to do is to click the link that I'm going to post here, or just copy the link that I will post below of this video, and then you will be redirected to this page. Sign into your Samsung account, fill out this form, type your email address and then the password, and then sign in. So once you sign in, you will see here this two-step verification. It will pop up something on the screen, and you can just hit yes, and then the verification code will pop up on your screen again, and you just need to memorize this 252823. Okay, and then type here 823. Okay, and then hit verify. Okay, alright, so in this page you need to sign or agree in terms and condition, and you just need to click the checkbox here to checkbox and then hit next. Alright, so once you hit next, you will proceed in this page. You just need to fill out the form. Okay, redemption date is up until November 30, so you still have up until 30th. Today is 28th in the Philippines, so you still have 2 days more to redeem this. So if you see this video, please redeem or fill out this form as soon as possible so that you can get this free tripod. And then okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so it says here date of purchase. So date of purchase, I purchased my device last February. So since it's grayed out, so you don't have option to use this date, so only from September 1st to only option here is September 1st, so you can just choose September 1st, just like what I did before when I get this freebie. And it's approved even though I purchased it on last February. Okay, and then after you put choose the date of purchase, type the serial number of your phone. Okay, then once you type the serial number, choose where you purchased the device. So me is on Metro Manila, and where you purchase it, or select store. I purchased it on Samsung Experience Store, so I choose this one, and your device, which is the Galaxy A71, or if you have different device, you can choose a different, and then hit next. Alright, so after you hit next, you just need to follow the instruction. I cannot proceed right now because I already redeemed the device. And the second step, again, give I think on this page you need to fill out some forms and info about the device. Third is the delivery or the shipping address where you wanted to get the device. Next step is the upload. Fourth step, you need to upload the receipt, and I think you need to fill out some info there as well. And then step 5, review. Of course, don't forget to review some details, especially the delivery or the shipping address. And the next, once you submit it, you will be received email confirmation. I will be posted the sample of email confirmation that I got coming from Samsung. And then I believe the shipping time frame is 5 business days, so just kind of wait. They will notify you. The delivery guys uh, came here, I think 5 business days, yeah, like I said. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can get this device for free. So again, you still have up until November 30, so 2 days more. And please redeem this, and fill out this info here so that you can get this free device. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching.